everyone, let's walk through this together. So this is my storefront on Walmart, and I have lots of great deals. There are so many things on here that I've been updating. I constantly am updating this because things are going out of stock very quickly. But I just want you guys to see everything that I have on here. There's so many great products. I mean, the Bluey's super popular. If you don't know what to get, I have gift ideas. Security. My fan favorite is gonna be those Grinch shoes right there. But again, there's so many on there, and including the couches, like the great deals. And then, you know, I'm a slipper fanatic, so I love the slippers. And then all the little cute outfits for the kids, you know. So get to my Walmart storefront. Happy shopping and Merry Christmas.